In today's Writing Prompt Wednesday, we're going to have If I Were a Pirate. So, if you're a pirate, what would you be doing? Would you be like Captain Jack Sparrow going on these massive adventures trying to find gold or trying to find the tree of life? Or would you just be a bad pirate robbing other poor people that are just trying to get from point A to point B? Or would you be a bad pirate, but honestly be a good pirate? Maybe like a Dexter type of thing where you're a pirate that hunts other pirates instead. Something different? Something no one's ever written before? Or maybe it has been written. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you would do if you were a pirate.